On this next part, I'm still looking at day 1, but this time I'm going to focus on questions 14 through 21. And this is all on what's a function. If you're looking at a graph, the graph has to pass a vertical line test. That means you have a vertical line, and you can use your pencil or your finger, and you run it through the graph, and it will tell you, and you'll see if any of the x values repeat. So if I look at my graphs, number 15, and I just take my pencil or my pen here and I run it through, I'm only touching the graph one time all the way through. So it is a function. So here I would write yes. For 16, same thing, I run my pencil through. It gets a little steep here, but it's still yes, okay? This would only be in one spot, but the lines do get steep. We're on number 17. When I run my pencil through here, this is a vertical segment. That means all of these x values are repeating. That is not a function. And then if I skip down to 20, here these 2 points, they have the same x value. They're repeating, where these do not. So because of these 2 points, they're right on top of each other, they have the same x value, it is not a function. When we are looking at a table, we need the x values need to be different. Okay, so if I look at question number 19, the y values mean nothing. Okay, you don't even need to look at them. I just want to look at my x. Do any of these numbers repeat? They do not, so it is a function. A table can also be like a list of points, because we have an x and a y value. So once again, we are only focused on the x values. That means I'm only looking at my -2. Oh, there's another -2, a 0, and a 1. Since these -2's are repeating, our answer is no. For the mapping, we still want the x values to be different, but you don't want the first bubble to have more than one arrow. Okay, so when you have your mapping diagram, the first set of values are the x's, the second set are the y's. I only care about the x's when I'm determining a function, so I don't even need to look at these. So if I cover that up, I'm looking, one arrow. Here, there's 2, the -1 has only one arrow, the 0 only has one. So because of this, it is not a function.